Hello, I'm Fiona from the MacArthur Centre for Sustainable Living. Ever wanted to take a closer look at the worms in your worm farm? Well, let's go. Do worms have eyes, I wonder? No, they have nerves close to the skin that can detect light, taste chemicals and food in the soil, and feel for obstacles. Try moving around with your eyes closed. It's not easy. We only have one heart pumping blood around our bodies. But worms have 5 hearts that squeeze the vessels to move the blood around their body. Wrap your hand around one of your fingers. Squeeze your hand in and out. This is how the worm hearts work. Do worms have teeth, I wonder? No, they suck their food up like a straw. Their gizzards hold tiny grains of dirt that help to grind their food. Suck through a straw over a piece of paper. Does the paper move? I wonder if worms live alone in the worm farm. Many critters live in worm farms that help break down the waste, just like my friend here, the springtail. How about checking out this cool video on springtails after we're done? I wonder how worms move about. Worms have hairs on their bodies called setae that help to grip the soil. Worms pull their muscles in and out to help them move along. Can you move around the ground without moving your arms and legs? It's not easy. Ugh, gross! Why do worms feel wet and slimy? Worms need to stay wet so they can breathe through their skin. Worms don't lay eggs, they have cocoons, and about 20 babies can hatch out of these cocoons. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out our website or look for us on Facebook and YouTube. Bye for now.